Right now, parents are both parents and teachers, and caretakers everywhere. Everyone is a teacher of something. We hope that throughout this period of time that you'll visit the museum's web spaces. You'll see new material appearing, including story spaces, activities, do-it-yourself projects at home, and videographic tutorials. We've aligned the material that we're sharing online with the Texas education standards called TEKS so that teachers and parents at home who are looking to maintain the continuity of a young learner's time can do so in a framework that matches what the state requires of young learners. In my 2 years in San Antonio, I've continually said that it is the best city in the country to run a children's museum. I've simply been astonished by the help and support that we've gotten from our donors and museum members all across the city. We miss the doers. We're committed to serving them in any way we can until they can safely return to campus. When we do reopen, we're going to observe every precaution to make sure that it is safe for every kid, educator, and parent who joins us on campus, hopefully soon.